Before you fall in love with a country, you check 3 things: taxes, borders, and how fast the state answers the phone. Let's talk Albania. Business style. No poetry, just numbers with a little attitude. Albania takes 15% corporate income tax. Not 25, not 30, 15. For investor, local investor, same rules. No nationalism in the tax code. Translation: the state lets you keep most of what you earn. VAT. Boring but predictable, which investors love. Standard VAT, 20%. Tourism gets a reduced rate, 6%. Exports, 0% VAT. VAT on imports? Yes. Recoverable? Also yes. Translation: if you produce and export, VAT is not your enemy. It's a pass-through. Dividends. You can actually take your money home. Dividend tax, 8%. Often lowered by double tax treaties with EU countries. No creative traps. No moral lectures about reinvesting for the nation. Translation: profits are allowed to leave the country alive. Paying people. Labor costs that still make sense. Personal income tax, 0% to 23% progressive. Social and health contributions. Employer, 16 to 17%. Employee, 9 to 10%. You can hire skilled people without selling a kidney. Translation: EU-style rules, Balkan-style costs. Customs duties. Albania likes trade. Customs duties mostly 0 to 15%. Machinery and industrial inputs often 0%. Preferential access via EU Stabilization Agreement. CEFTA. Import VAT is recoverable if you're registered. Translation: good country to make things, assemble things, and ship things. Strategic investor status. When the state flirts back. If your project is big, serious, and visible, the state gets interested. Possible perks. Tax exemptions. VAT, free machinery. Fast permits. One-stop shop treatment. Sectors they love. Tourism. Energy, especially green. Manufacturing. Infrastructure. Agribusiness. Translation: size matters. Structure matters. Paperwork matters. Tax administration, not perfect, but no longer wild. E-fighting, digital invoicing. Transfer pricing rules align with OECD. Not Switzerland, not chaos either. Translation: if you are compliant and organized, the system behaves. Albania doesn't try to tax your ambition. It taxes your profit lightly and lets you keep moving. This is Gavril Talk Business and Philosophy.